Good evening and welcome along to the channel. This is just a really short video that I'm going to put up regards part of the old LNWR line that used to run from Brackley to Buckingham. So behind me you can see this is a track bed that used to run towards Buckingham, and if I spin round, that was the line heading towards the crossover bridge for the Great Central, and this is HS2 going straight across it. It used to be able to walk across, along here, and now it's no more. Well, until HS2 hopefully put an overbridge on or something, because yeah, a lovely sunset. So yeah, I used to be able to walk this route all the way towards Brackley, and now no more. So we'll see what happens to this in the future. I might try and stick my drone up at some point just over this area and just see what we can see from above. But as you can see, I'll just spin the camera around. Yeah, as you can see, HS2 are getting on with it. Yeah, so that's looking north, and that's looking south back towards Finmere. So yeah, there we go. Another old railway line that's been wiped out from the HS2. I mean, this was a lovely bridleway and footpath, so I'm hoping if anyone from HS2 is watching, they can confirm that this is going to get an overbridge or some sort of reinstatement of the existing railway line where it was an old disused railway walk. So yeah, we'll see, but there we go. Right, we should walk back then, Austin. Can't get through now. Come on then, let's go. So this is heading right back towards Buckingham. So the existing old track bed. Obviously the station up here would have been Westbury. Station house is still there, but this is a good nice little walk that you can do if you want to bring your dog up here. So yeah, only a quick video, so I hope you enjoyed this little one, just a bit of information, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.